a gorgeous day. It's bridge maintenance weekend. I was gonna call it something else until just that moment. Bridge maintenance week. My neighbors are up to work on the bridge, so I'm going to help them. I should have been there like half an hour ago at the appointed time, but I books fested pretty hard last night. Had a good time. And cheers to Mary and Butch, who got married yesterday but still showed up to live stream the Books Fest. That's hardcore, man. But it was a good time. It really was. Okay, so we're gonna head off. I got the ATV loaded up with chainsaw and a few other odds and ends. I wish I had a lot more screws. I didn't think of it until just now. Anyway, we're gonna do this. Who's ready? You ready? What about you? The classic tilted head look. There she is. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Whee! Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at that beautiful bastard. No head protection, no eye protection, no earring protection, just going for it.
You're thinking 69, but it didn't sound appropriate.
So what we're doing here is we're cutting down logs to put underneath the bridge here. I guess that's one right there, skinny one.
Okay, so I need to go your way, guys. By 3 feet your way. Go up that way. Back. Walk backwards. No, like back. Oh. There you go. Okay, step down. Yeah, that way towards Junebug. Beautiful.
So they're charging up a battery here. They said they wanted 6 to 8 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a few more to go. So here's my critical analysis of the issue. This part of the bridge is really good. The part that leads up to the hill. I see no issues here. It's nice and wide. It's strong. It's not sitting in water. It's really good. Up to about here, and it starts to get a little loosey-goosey. There's just pallets under here. It's a bit springy. And then this big thing is not attached. I kind of stuffed it there because what was underneath was falling apart. And then we get to this middle section. So this middle section I replaced myself last year. There are 3 trees underneath it, logs I guess we would call them. One there, one in the middle, and then one on that side. And they're kind of just spanning the space, which is why it's so bouncy here in the middle. And then we get up here, and again, this side, we're right on dirt here. So we're not in the water. It's actually pretty stable. It could be wider here, but it's nice and strong. See some nails that need to be pounded in. This corner could be widened a lot. And I would like to see this kind of built up a little bit because it's a bit tippy in this section. But there you go. There's my analysis. No, they didn't bring... They often bring these slabs, like a load of these things, slabs. But since I don't see any here and nobody's going to get any, I'm assuming they didn't bring any this time. There's a lumberyard not that far away, and they usually get them from there on their way up. So I guess we're making use of what we've got here. This middle section starts there. There's the end of the one log right there. And where is it on the side? I guess that's it right there, maybe? Hard to tell. But this whole middle section is not fastened down. It's just sitting there. If we could somehow lift it, I don't know how. If we could lift it, as heavy as all hell, but... And then, stick those longer logs under here. Like these ones are only about 30 feet long. But those ones are 40 feet. We could take it right over to the the really stable spot over there, right from here, right over to the stable spot, and that would be really good. But I don't know how we lift this section. I'm sure they're gonna get 8 trees, but I don't know how we get them under there. I tried lifting this log here before, couldn't do it. Yeah.
Maybe we come up to the farm for one weekend.
You
We've
could
got
go.
enough cedar poles.
So what do you got there, Joe?
Who makes this, Pat?
MSR.
MSR?
MSR Guardian, I think it's called.
Yeah, the Guardian filters out virus, so protozoa. Has a filter on it that any gunk it pulls in, it actually pushes back out the other side.
So
you
it
never need to actually
Nice.
clean or
cleans
replace
itself.
the filter. It's self-cleaning.
Well,
Kinda
you're
cool.
in the way. So, and how does it taste?
Tastes great. You can taste the iron in the water, but
Yeah.
that's not a big deal.
When we were here for the spring, there was no problem at all because all the runoff, it was just tasted like you just did an RO thing at home.
Yeah. Cool. Taste test?
For me or you?
No, for you. Go ahead.
It's good and it's cool.
Nice. But it's not beer.
It's not beer.
Nice. That's why we did that.
Yep.
So this is what I was saying, Joe. If we could bring those logs like way over to here.
Yep. Yeah, that was the thing. We want to come to here, on ground.
Perfect.
So get in behind him with your strap on.
Okay. So here we go.
Oh, that's why I got Chris behind
We're gonna
me.
try and tilt.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to get square in behind you, but I'll be able to.
Oh. Whoop, whoop, whoa.
We need you guys on that side.
Now's the time.
We got J-Mac on that side.
He's fine. Okay, you go first, Pat.
I guess I didn't need to latch on to you.
No, I just figured I'd go reverse. It made more sense.
I'll get over
Wonder
here.
if
So Pat, you want to try to hook onto another spot and have me pull? Like, is it hooked on down there?
I don't know. No, I think that post, the tree there, is what's hanging it up on that side right now. Do you want this pry bar, Pat, to get some?
Oh.
Never mind. What do you need me to do? Can I help?
Pat, stop. Please, you're gonna fucking hurt yourself. Okay, you have an MCL sprain. Like, stop what you're doing. Get the winch, and we'll put the winch on it, dude. And you can assist in the way.
Disconnect that left side and.
This side here?
whoa, whoa, whoa. Back a little,
I couldn't move it. Pat was on it.
a little further back, Pat.
Yeah, I think, Chris, we're gonna have to get on it there and pull it up. We're not gonna be able to stand it up.
Okay.
No, that's why we come back up. You're already wet, Pat. He's not moving it.
I haven't tried yet. No, it's not going to work.
Okay. That's good.
Well, disconnect that winch while you're.
What are you doing? Is that the back end of the log?
I thought he was asking me, do you want a beer, Chris? What's that?
I didn't realize the log was way back behind you. They're long.
We'll have to cut some off.
These are longer than I thought. Hey, are you mad at me or what'd I do? Why you gotta be like that?
Drama.
That's it. I'm not in the water anymore. Someone
Your
else
ass in
is.
the water.
So what maneuver is this called?
This is the don't get wet maneuver. Leeches suck. Alright, good man.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Ha! I got it. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, a little more. Like a foot. Okay. Should I nip this out? So that it's resting a little deeper?
Yeah, maybe.
Good.
Thank you.
It's your fingers, eh?
Okay.
All right.
Sorry, Jake.
Somebody
Sorry,
walk
stop.
across.
We're gonna need to move the bike.
Nobody?
already am.
You're doing it wrong, Pat.
You're doing it wrong.
Joe, walk across for me.
I'm not walking across.
For the video. Come on, you can do it.
Move your bike for me.
So this is how I've been taking the logs down. I just back down the hill. It's nearly as scary as it looks.
So it needs to go your way?
Stop! It's the outside one?
Yeah.
This is the outside? Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Yep, 2 fan ends here.
looks bigger up there though.
That other one is bigger. Much bigger.
I put the bigger one on the card.
Okay, go. Go, Joe.
Already went one.
Straight across.
Water.
Whoa. Shit.
Oh, I was going to throw this log over there and splash it, but you did it yourself.
Wait till he's on the other side. I'm gonna say, what's on your leg? What's that black thing?
No, say it now.
Joe, what's that black thing crawling up your leg?
I don't know. That too? Man, that was fucking amazing.
Damn it, I missed that one. Shit.
Do it again!
Do it again. Can you do it the same way?
Water, did you?
Can you?
Water.
I'm sure that log won't roll again.
That's the problem. That's what Chris is talking about, the double knot. Problem. He's like, I told you.
What? I
Yeah.
said, so does Mr. drove through the night.
Leaving at 1 a.m.
It's hot out. We're taking a break for lunch. They went all back. They went all back. They all went back to their cabin, so I came back here to grab something. I still got all my mess here from doing the kitchen. Oh, like a blah.
Yeah.
Are you done, like, with the 5-foot sections? Can we start cutting?
Yeah, we got to
Yeah, it's great. It's not the square one.
this one right in the middle.
Yeah.
That we use big fucking spikes on. On 3, folks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's have it go. Now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. You okay? Back a bit. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm not.
1 second before you do that, Joe.
And it's also narrower.
Where you going with it?
You want to drop it on Pat's leg.
Or me.
Yeah, not often Pat
I'll
agrees
hold
with me,
it.
but
We move-
Okay, just turn it this way. Watch out, Russell. Okay, just let it fall back in there. We'll get this piece in. Beauty right there. She's locked in.
Oh, we'll catch air off of this thing.
I expect no less. I think this is a good frame. We're in.
And we're done for now. How's it look, everybody? Now all the armchair experts can come out and tell us what we did wrong. Come on, Junebug. Come on. Come on, girl. You can do it. Come on, girl. Nope. New bridge. Come on, Junebug. Come on. Come on, little girl. Here she comes. Here she comes. Come on, Junebug. You can do it. You can do it. Here she comes. Oh, what a good girl. Now that I made you come all the way out here, you gotta go back again. What a good dog. Is he okay? Yeah.
I don't know, because he's a moron.
Dude, why you crossing? Pat's not gonna be able to turn around.
Crit. He's gotta go first.
Oh, you bugger.
What do you mean, you bugger?
Sorry.
I can't back up here.
I'm stuck. You're gonna have to.
First test.
That little drop needs to be adjusted, but other than that, it went pretty well.
Which drop?
Just right at the
At the
beginning of the new section.
end. Yeah. Good. Looking good. This should be fun. Rats. So it's about 6:20 p.m. We're all done for the day. You saw the bridge. Looks great. Works great. I haven't driven on it yet, but pretty happy with it. It's out of the water at this point, so that's a huge step up. Look at the breathing monster down here. Anyway, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the bridge. Please leave nice comments. We did the best we could in a day. And take care.